How can I parse a YAML file in Python? How can I parse a YAML file in Python?
The easiest and purest method without relying on C headers is PyYAML documentation, which can be installed via pip install PyYAML. And that's it? A plain YAML.load function also exists, but YAML.safe_load should always be preferred to avoid introducing the possibility for arbitrary code execution. So unless you explicitly need the arbitrary object serialization/deserialization, use safe_load. Note the PyYAML project supports versions up through the YAML 1.1 specification. If YAML 1.2 specification support is needed, CYAML is noted in this answer. Also, you could also use a drop-in replacement for PyYAML, that keeps your YAML file ordered the same way you had it, called YAML. View sync of YAML here.
Read and write YAML files with Python 2+3 in Unicode. Created YAML file. Common file endings. .yml and .yaml. Alternatives. CSV, super simple format, read and amp, write. JSON, nice for writing human readable data, very commonly used, read and amp, write. YAML, YAML is a superset of JSON, but easier to read and amp, write, comparison of JSON and YAML. Pickle, a Python serialization format, read and amp, write, warning sign, using Pickle with files from third parties poses an uncontrollable arbitrary code execution risk. Message pack, Python package, more compact representation, read and amp, write. HDF5, Python package, nice for matrices, read and amp, write. XML, exists 2-sci, read and amp, write. For your application, the following might be important. Support by other programming languages, reading, writing performance, compactness, file size. See also, comparison of data serialization formats. In case you are rather looking for a way to make configuration files, you might want to read my short article Configuration Files in Python.
If you have YAML that conforms to the YAML 1.2 specification, released 2009, then you should use YAML. Disclaimer: I am the author of that package. It is essentially a superset of PyYAML, which supports most of YAML 1.1 from 2005. If you want to be able to preserve your comments when round-tripping, you certainly should use YAML. Upgrading at John's example is easy. Use safe_load unless you really have full control over the input needed, seldom the case, and know what you are doing. If you are using pathlib for manipulating files, you are better off using the new API YAML provides.
First install PyYAML using pip3. Then import YAML module and load the file into a dictionary called my_dict. That's all you need. Now the entire YAML file is in my_dict dictionary.